Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to find deleted messages on Instagram. So to do that, let's head over to our Instagram application. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon on the lower right corner. Once you're there, tap on the three lines on the top right. It will lead you to this page. Now you have to head over or scroll down and you will find the option of um, account center, and here go to your information and permissions. Now here go to download your information. Now go to download or transfer information. Now go to some of your information. Now just select your messages section and tap on next. Now here you can select for download to device. Now you can select the format, in which format you want the messages, and you can also select the quality and the email number too. And once you tap on create first, then you can get your deleted messages on your Instagram. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video.